A very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. This is our second video of the same day. So, morning I have posted a video for Bank Nifty and crude oil pre-market analysis. Okay, so that also it has given a very good profit, and we have booked the profit also. We have shared the profit screenshot also in the Telegram group. Okay, now if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos and click the bell icon so that whenever we release any videos you will get the intimation immediately. Okay, now I have taken the Bank Nifty spot chart, that is a indices chart. Now I'm going to replay, say I'm starting from the previous day. Okay, and before I start I will enable my indicator also. I will enable my indicators with the default settings. So let it open first. So now what we have to do? It is very simple. Once the market has opened, wait for few candles or few minutes, just 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Sometime it will take 20 minutes, okay, to get the lines formed. So once the lines are formed, then we have to go for the entry. We have to go for the entry. How? Suppose market has opened here. If market comes down here first, we have to go for buy. If it is go here first, we have to go for sell. If buy side target hit, you are trading over for the day. If SL hit, then you have to go for the reverse entry with doubling your lot. Okay, suppose here in yesterday case, first sell activated, SL hit, and the reverse entry, this SL was safe here. This was the low made after the entry. Then all our targets have been achieved. This was the yesterday. Now let us see what happened today. Okay, now the time is 11:20, market is still running. Right, now I am playing the bar replay button. So let us see what happened today. So this one is the yesterday's one. Market has opened gap down, and immediately see here in the second candle itself, in a 15 minutes candle, we got our buy entry. What is the low? The low made 37,058 and our entry was 37,065. 7 points it went down after taking our buy entry. Then now what we have to do? Now we have to immediately enable first buy targets, remove the first sell, second buy, and enable second buy and second sell targets. Why we have to enable the second buy and second sell targets? See here I'm keeping in lower time frame so that we can see what had happened. 1 minute also you can keep. Okay, there will be no changes in the entry point. See, all the entry points are same. So for a better understanding, I'm keeping in small time frame. Okay, so now what happened? Market immediately has come down to our first buy entry. So twice it has hit our first buy entry. Then first target immediately hit. How many minutes it has taken? 1, 2, 3, fourth, third candle. In just 3 minutes we got the target. In another 3 minutes we got the second target. In another 7 minutes we almost got the third target. So 75% of the third target also hit. Okay, so this is our strategy. It is very simple. Suppose no, if target is not given here, what we will be doing? See here, immediately target hit. Suppose if target is not hit, what we have to do? If SL here, this will be your SL point. So here we have to take the double lot for the target of this one. That's all. Very simple. If we will try first buy, if SL here will go for second sell. We will try first sell. If SL here will go for second buy. We will just reverse the trade with doubling the lots. Okay, this is our strategy. Market is still running. Now I will enable once again this bar replay button. So let's see what had happened further. Okay, so are we getting the third target or it is coming down to our first buy entry again? Our SL hit, already our trading over, we got the profit, and I have booked the profit also. I have shared the screenshot also in the group. Okay, now market is running. This is the live market. People are asking me to show me in live market. All the videos I'm recording, all are live market. All are live market only. See here. Market is a bearish market now. Today is a bearish market, but we got the buy entry and we got the profit also. So that is the beauty of our indicator. So it has opened gap down, but see where it has got reversed exactly at our buy entry only. It has reversed it. That's all. Okay. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. See, third target is almost hit. What is the high? High made 37,311. Okay, and our third target is 37,316. That's all. So now what you have to do? If buy activated that day, we should not go for the sell entry unless the SL hit. Only if the first buy SL hit, then we have to go for the second sell entry. Then what will be our reversal point? The reversal point we have here. If you want, you can trade if you are a aggressive trader. Okay, now I'm in making it default mode. Suppose market is coming down here, coming to first sell part. This side it is coming. You can see any price action pattern or price action based candle formed here. Any rejection of candle. In such cases, you can again take sell entry, or you can blindly also you can take the sell entry with this stop loss. If SL hit, you must go for reversal entry. Don't hesitate. Similarly, another reversal point will be, see here, come here and enable weekly buy zone, weekly sell zone, monthly buy zone, and monthly sell zone. Enable all this. So market today, it has taken our buy entry. It has to reach here. Then another reversal point. This is the another reversal point. Then this is the another reversal point. Okay. Today, since it is a today expiry, if you have a huge capital, what you can do, you sell this 38,750 CE, whatever is the price. It may be some 20 rupees or 15 rupees. Okay, 20 rupees, 30 rupees. If you have more margin, sell some 50 to 100 quantity also. 100 percentage, it will become zero. 100 percentage, it will become zero at the end of the day. So now I have recording this at 11:27 a.m. So let's see tomorrow what happened today at 3:30 p.m. So if we are selling this monthly sell zone CE, you can sell any CE like 38,050, 38,000, 38,100, 37,900 CE. If we are selling them, it is 100% sure that it will become zero. Why it will become zero? We will teach you in our advanced option trading course. Now we are giving this course only for our indicator subscribers at 50% discount. So from tomorrow we are starting the class. Whoever is interested to join, they can join. And we are releasing this video only for educational purpose. Before you put your live money, please consult with your financial advisor. For any doubts, please contact us and WhatsApp number 9500009154. Our executives will contact you immediately. Thank you all for watching our video. If any doubts, please let us know. We will clarify you. Please don't lose your capital. Be disciplined trader. If buy activated, don't quickly exit the market with a small profit. Wait for the minimum one target and wait with the SL. Okay. Don't extend the SL and don't shrink your target. This must be must be done importantly. You can book two second target also. Okay, keep 1:2 ratio. So here I am showing you. So every day if you are patiently waiting, If you are patiently waiting, you will get very good profit. See here, this is 1:1. If you are booking at the first target, it is 1:1. Booking at second target, 1:2. Booking at third target, 1:3. Clear? So this is how you have to trade. Any doubts, please contact us. We will help you. Thank you all. If you are not subscribed to YouTube channel and the Telegram channel, please subscribe and give your comments. We have enabled the comments section also in the YouTube channel. You can ask any question in the comments box. We will answer you. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead. Good morning, traders again. See our today our Bank Nifty buy activated at 37,200 range in the spot value. So what I have done? So exactly I have taken 37,200 call option. I bought and I booked at the second target. So in a single lot, I have made this profit of 2,650 rupees. So you need patience. That's all. Whenever it comes to your range, so only for that side you have to book the profit. Take the entry at the money or in the money, immediately you will get a very good movement and book the profit. See this 37,200 call option I have taken. And what has happened? Buy only activated and it has exactly target hit. So I can show you this buy trading view. Bank Nifty, I will take Bank Nifty. What is happened in the Bank Nifty? Just now I have shown you. 1 second I will show you. Right. I'm trying to make one algo for this. So once it is done, then all our problem will be solved. See here. 37,065. Okay, 37,065 is our buy entry. I have taken 37,200 call option. 200 points OTM I have taken. Because no, it had very violent movement at that time. So that's why immediately I have taken this point. So now what happened? All three targets have been achieved. 100%. All three targets have been achieved. Where is this? This one I have to disable. See, all three targets have been achieved. The entry point is important. The entry point is important. See how accurately it has given the targets. How accurately it has given the targets. So that's all dear. See the profit. You only wanted to show you live trade. Now it is shown in the live trade. Thank you all. Bye bye.